Most investors think you need dozens of ETFs to build wealth. You don't. State Street, one of the largest asset managers in the world, already gives you everything you need with just 3 SPDR ETFs. In this video, I'll break down the best SPDR ETFs for long-term wealth and how combining them can create a simple and powerful long-term portfolio. ETF number 1. The Foundation SPY. SPY is the backbone of a long-term portfolio. It tracks the S&P 500, giving you instant exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies. Names like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and Google, all in a single fund. Since its launch in 1993, SPY has delivered strong long-term market returns of roughly 10% annually, while maintaining a relatively low 0.09% expense ratio. It follows the same index as VOO and IVV, which is why it's considered one of the most trusted core holdings in the world. SPY isn't built to be flashy, it's built to be consistent. By simply owning the market and staying invested, this ETF alone has outperformed the majority of active investors over time. It's the ultimate, set the foundation and let compounding do the work fund. ETF number 2. Growth Accelerator, XLK. XLK is where the real growth potential comes from. It focuses on the technology sector, giving you concentrated exposure to innovation, AI, cloud computing, semiconductors, and software. Giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia dominate this ETF, meaning you're investing directly in the companies powering the modern economy. Over the past decade, XLK has significantly outperformed the broader market, delivering an annualized return of around 22%, while still maintaining a very low 0.08% expense ratio. It offers greater upside than a standard S&P 500 fund, yet remains far less speculative than most small-cap or niche growth ETFs. That said, growth comes with volatility. XLK is best suited for long-term capital, money you can leave invested through market swings, not funds you might need in an emergency. ETF number 3. The Income Machine, SDY. Safety isn't just about protecting money. It's about owning assets that pay you more every year. That's exactly what SDY is designed to do. This ETF invests in companies that have increased their dividends for 20-plus consecutive years, prioritizing sustainability and financial strength rather than chasing risky, high yields. Over the last decade, SDY has delivered roughly 9 to 10% annual returns, offers a dividend yield around 2.4%, and carries a slightly higher 0.35% expense ratio, a trade-off for its strict focus on long-standing dividend growers and quality businesses. SDY holds established companies with strong balance sheets, reliable cash flow, and a history of rewarding shareholders. It typically falls less during market downturns than pure growth funds, making it an effective portfolio stabilizer. At the same time, it generates income that can grow over time, which is powerful for both reinvestment today and retirement cash flow later. How to combine them by age. Age 35 to 45, growth-focused. At this stage, time is your biggest advantage. You can handle volatility because you're not touching this money anytime soon. The goal is maximum compounding. A strong allocation here is 40% SPY, 40% XLK, and 20% SDY. This setup gives you heavy exposure to innovation and growth, broad market stability, and early dividend growth compounding quietly in the background. Age 45 to 55, balanced. Now the focus starts to shift. You still want growth, but protecting what you've built becomes just as important. A balanced allocation here would be 40% SPY, 30% XLK, and 30% SDY. Growth is still driving returns, but dividend growth now plays a bigger role in reducing volatility and smoothing out market swings. Income becomes more meaningful, drawdowns feel smaller and more manageable, and this is where discipline truly starts paying off. Age 55 plus, preservation and income. At this stage, the game changes. You're no longer trying to beat the market. You're preparing to live off it. A smart allocation here would be 35% SPY, 15% XLK, and 50% SDY. Dividend growth becomes the core engine. Income helps cover expenses without selling shares, and lower volatility helps protect your capital. A smaller growth allocation still fights inflation, but the main objective becomes peace of mind over excitement. That's how long-term investing stays simple and powerful. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns and portfolio strategies.